To connect Google Analytics to Shopify and set up GA4, follow these steps. First, create a Google Analytics account if you don't already have one. Go to the Google Analytics website and sign in with your Google account. Click on Create Property and select GA4 Setup Assistant. Enter your business name and select your industry category. Next, install the Google Analytics app in your Shopify store. Go to the Shopify App Store and search for Google Analytics. Click on the app and then click on Add App. You will be redirected to the app installation page where you will need to click on Install App. After installing the app, connect your Google Analytics account to Shopify. Go to the Google Analytics app in your Shopify store and click on Connect to Google Analytics. You will be redirected to the Google Analytics website where you will need to select the account you want to connect and click on Next. Then, set up data streams in Google Analytics. A data stream is a source of data in Google Analytics. To set up a data stream, go to the admin section of your Google Analytics account and click on Data Streams. Click on Add Stream and select Web. Enter your website URL and select your stream name. Finally, verify your website in Google Analytics. To verify your website, go to the admin section of your Google Analytics account and click on Data Streams. Click on the three dots next to your stream name and select Edit Stream. Scroll down to the Measurement ID section and click on Verify. By following these steps, you can connect Google Analytics to Shopify and set up GA4. This will help you track your website traffic and sales, and make data-driven decisions to grow your business. Remember to always follow best practices and ensure that your Google Analytics account is set up correctly to get accurate data.